It takes a lot of time to use different software to create thumbnails. What if we could make our thumbnails in Premiere? We can create beautiful thumbnails in a very short time at the Premiere Pro. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show how to make thumbnail in Premiere Pro. I'm going to make a thumbnail above this video clip. Import the thumbnail pictures here and drag them to the timeline. I'm coming back after a little editing is finished. Okay, now I'm doing the last positioning of this picture. After this, simply click on this camera icon. If you can't find this icon, then click this plus icon. Then you will find this camera icon here. Now click this camera icon and name the thumbnail here. Basically, it's work like a screenshot, but it's effective. Select format as JPG or PNG. I suggest PNG. Then click on OK. Now let's check out the thumbnail we just made from Premiere. Here is the thumbnail. That's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.